Hello everybody, this is only me and Zach. Jaden is out of the question. He's
Check if they can see him behind.
unfortunately okay. Zach, come fast. Zach, come here. Okay, guys. So yeah, as I was saying, it's just me and Zach. Who is this person? Grab your Zach and start hitting him. Who is this guy? He stole our hair.
I have hair.
Wait, guys, I think I know the combination to this.
Okay, so this is
Zach, I have
Jaden.
hair.
He's useless. He's very.
You're useless.
He's the
You're
most-
bad at driving.
I'm the best driver anyone has ever seen in life.
Exactly.
Wait, what is the combination to this? I forgot.
I didn't use that
Where did you come from?
Okay, so you can hear all of us right now. We are stopping face cam. We all hate showing our face on camera now.
All hair.
Hey, look, there's
Only
daily
1%.
No, Chaitanya is the only one who shows at the moment.
Okay, come. Let's go.
Let's go. So we have no idea how to play this game before. We have definitely not
Okay,
even
look
played
at
it
this.
once.
Look at this.
Yeah.
You can sell this sheriff for 148. You can sell this sheriff for 148.
You're selling humans now?
You can sell anything in your sack for 70.
Oh, come. Jay, let me sell you.
My friend, I join.
Zach, where are you? Oh, enter in here. Okay. Okay, now we have to wait for 12 seconds. Yay. Okay, everybody. Jaden, what are we doing?
I don't know.
We're defeating the dead whale's Tesla boss.
What is a Tesla?
I don't know.
You don't know what's a
It's
Tesla, it's so
jar
very
with
bad.
brains
Okay,
and eyes.
do I have hair, guys? Guys,
No.
do I have hair?
Do I have hair? Doesn't mean person.
No, you have hair. Do I have hair?
Yes, you have hair.
Okay, thank
Baba,
you.
do not hold the gold
Jay, do not get the.
like you always do.
Yeah, please don't. He's.
Oh my god, these houses are empty.
Wait, what? Go to the general store and all.
The trading post is empty too.
How do you know? Oh yeah, I can see gold. Zach, are you getting the gold?
No, I'm getting the newspapers.
Jaden is going. Baba is going for the. Jay is going for the gold.
Okay, you get it.
What do I have to do?
What should I do? I don't know.
Store the gold in your sack
Okay.
and then sell it.
Just sell
then
it.
Use the gold.
Or just sell it here.
I got. Should I
Place
sell it?
items here to sell. Place it and sell it. Done.
Should I
And
sell
make
it?
sure the first thing you buy is the bandage.
Okay, fine. I'm selling it and I'm buying bandages.
I'm buying something that I don't know what to buy.
Okay, so.
General.
Oh
what do you
yeah, I got money. I got 50 rupees. $50.
Cola.
Huh? Cola?
I'm in charge of defense, okay?
I am in charge of bandages. Oh yeah, I can afford it. How many bandages to buy? I'm buying the whole stock. Okay.
Guys, I made the defense, okay? Make sure you do not push these newspapers out of the way. I've welded them in such a way that you can only enter using the thing.
I'm buying a lot
I
of.
have a newspaper, so now
Can
we
anyone please listen to me?
burn some stuff.
I'm buying a lot of bandages for y'all.
Not enough money, Adol. Adol, not enough money.
I have 70.
Oh,
I have 0. I just wasted. I brought coal.
okay, good, Baba, very good.
You also go buy. What are you doing?
Wait, I'm buying snake oil.
What is snake oil?
It helps you heal.
Bring me.
I can't drag this.
Bro, you need to place it on that plate.
Will you relax? I know what I'm
Baba, what
doing.
else is useful in this?
Coal. Okay.
Okay, except for coal.
Lantern.
There's ammo and there's a gun. Should I
I'm
buy
gonna write
gun?
this.
Should I buy gun?
You know.
Okay, I got a lot of
You have a
bandages.
shovel. Yeah, you buy a gun.
Okay,
Baba is acting like the shovel's gonna be very helpful.
I got 4 bandages. I think I got scammed because. Okay, I have not got scammed. I got 4 bandages. No, I think I've got more. 1 second.
Okay, I think I've glitched.
Yeah, I got 5. I got 5 bandages. Hello, can anyone hear me?
It's 35!
How do I put my bandages
For
in the
one
sack?
gun.
How do I put the bandages in a sack?
Idol, how much more money do you have?
20.
Store it.
I'll store it. Yeah, Idol is useless. Yeah. Idol, you have only 20.
Yeah.
Idol, Baba, how much do you have? Okay, 0.
Because I brought a
Wait, where are the bandages, Idol?
Yeah, there's the bandages. I'm storing it.
Idol, are they in your sack?
I'm storing it.
You can't store bandages.
You can.
You can't.
Okay, fine. Place it on the floor, Idol.
Let me see.
But those are mine. I paid for them.
I stored them.
How do you store them?
Yes,
By
sir.
pressing the store button.
I don't have the store button.
Let's see how dumb you are. Baba, place something on the floor. Wait, I'll place. Chalo, this bandage is there.
It's mine, by the way.
You think I didn't know that? Okay, Adriel, if you walk up and point this white dot to the item, there is a pick up.
Oh, pick up.
You have pick up. Okay.
It's
Bro,
still
if
not in
you
my
hold the
sack.
sack, you can store it.
You are not seeing your inventory.
You can hold the
It's
sack,
in my-
you can store it down, down.
Oh, I don't have the pick up item, so I'll just use a sword.
I have it.
Wait, where the hell
We
did the
all have
bandage go?
everything.
Wait, get guns.
We don't
Adriel,
get
get too
money.
poor. It's 35.
So find gold.
Adriel, we
There was
found.
only one goal. which
Yes,
is found.
Adriel. We took all the gold because we're robbers. What? We took the gold. It's 35. Can someone just find 15?
What?
Baba, I hope you went through the defense mechanism properly.
Yeah.
For those who don't know, Baba is actually just Jaden. Who left something over?
Yeah,
Who's buying a gun?
You.
I didn't even buy a gun. Someone just left the gun on the counter and ran out.
That's that.
Yeah. Yeah, Baba. Yeah. That's clearly.
It's 6 p.m. I'm riding. Where's my call? No, I can't understand it.
There.
Bye.
No, Zach, you ride. Zach, you ride.
Adriel, where are you?
Go now fast. Leave it.
Adriel, go through the defense mechanism.
Oh my
like a normal
god.
human.
What is this human? What is this?
This is our phone.
Yeah, Baba's right. It's a defense mechanism, okay?
Just stop it. Just
yeah, just do that, Adriel, okay?
What?
let us survive.
Just kill the zombies with your shovel, like that.
flying.
See, I'm so smart.
Aaron fell out. Aaron is
Hey, look, there are some sheriffs. You wanna kill them?
Why?
Ah, never mind. Bye bye.
What did you do?
They're shooting at us.
Run.
Aaron,
Run.
stop throwing me out.
I'm not throwing you out.
I'll kill you.
Wait, there's a shop here. Should we stop?
Yeah, please do. Don't let it be a scam though. Stop!
I stopped.
Like 10,000 feet away.
Do you wanna die from the sheriff's, Adriel? They're right there, okay?
They have no idea that we're here. And it's becoming
They
night.
have a very short distance. Okay, bye bye.
Wait, one second.
I'm going back. Run back to the train.
I've got
I was actually coming and
Adriel, we're leaving you.
No!
Adriel, come quick.
I've got a gun
Baba,
with
you drive the train.
Guys!
No,
Oh, zombie! Guys, zombie on the train! On the train!
I have my shovel ready, Baba. Keep it ready.
Guys, do we have any torches?
I'm just tap.
Same.
Tap. Jay, move!
Tap it right.
Go, I'm driving for a reason.
So drive now.
Yeah, sure. I'll slap you on the head by time.
I'll step on Zach's head.
Wait, who is the zombie corpse?
What is a zombie called?
What?
The corpse of a zombie.
Bro, we didn't even kill a zombie.
Y'all didn't even kill?
Oh,
We're out of fuel.
The cops. I heard calls.
We're out of fuel.
There's a shop right there.
Where?
I got a revolver.
What is a
Bro, why couldn't you kill the zombie if you had the gun, Adriel?
Because I was at the shop and I decided to leave me.
Yola, you.
So kill that zombie and we were obviously kidding.
And you both are just camping out there.
Wait, Baba.
Go there.
Baba, you
You could buy the land bin.
There is no lantern, Baba.
There is.
Where is the lantern? I didn't even see a lantern.
But I got the code.
Guys, you need to wait for zombie to come down.
Or we can just wait for the day.
Or we can burn this defense system of yours.
No. Listen, if you wait for the day, all the zombies that are there in the morning will die.
Jake, burn the defense system.
No, please don't. Baba.
Wait, what?
No. That was the point of the defense thing.
We need to survive.
Listen, we can wait for the day and all the zombies will
Wait,
be
what
gone.
the hell? Jay, what the
Baba,
hell?
do this.
Jaden just damn it.
Is there a sheriff nearby?
Or
I heard another shot. Oh no, it's just Baba hitting the thing with the shot.
Jay, stop.
Bro, there's a zombie. I heard
Where?
something.
Where?
I heard something.
That's very good for
Wait,
that.
That can be something.
who's dying? Not me.
There's a dead body outside.
Go get it. Someone go get it.
No.
Think so.
Jaden, go get the dead body. Wait, it's becoming day. It's becoming day.
I got the dead body. Let's go.
You got the dead body? Put it in now. Let's go. We're back on the road.
I mean, go to the shop.
How did the zombie come from?
That's a good question. Jake, get back in.
Near the shop, there's a zombie.
Wait, Baba, do not move.
We're out of. Baba, don't move. I am driving.
Adriel, you have the revolver. Adriel.
Yeah,
How
what
is the zombie alive?
Oh, you're at the. Okay, who needs bandages right
Yeah, good, Baba. Very good.
Who has the
I know, when we
corpse?
die, we need the bandages.
What
again.
corpse?
No, we can.
Who got corpse? They move! I threw my gun over there.
Good boy. Wait. Okay, good.
They're not using that as defense.
Just taking it to.
Wait, you have that painting with you,
Yeah.
right? Burn it!
Yes, we're going in.
Guys, wait a
Yeah, it was a
It
painting.
was a painting.
No.
Yeah,
I
I see.
next to the newspaper was a newspaper.
Jay, you drive.
Hey, there are some horses over there.
You're gonna kill the horses.
No, I'm gonna take a hobby.
There's a. I'll come fly on a horsey.
Exactly, it's called a unicorn badge. Yeah, I'm good too. I'm good, Baba. You can go.
Okay.
Hey, no, leave it.
I'll come flying to you.
That put the fuel in!
Arre, wait, Baba.
I'm the only
You
one
don't
having
have fuel or what?
I don't!
Wait, what do I have? I have the painting.
Just take the newspaper.
Bye! What the? I
Bye,
can't.
horsey.
You put it outside! Stand back! Yes! Bye bye! Should we actually leave him?
Where is he?
Should we actually leave him,
Wait,
Zach?
where is he? Where are you?
I don't know.
He's with the horses.
Should we actually leave him?
Bye, dude. I'm going to get a horse too.
Why?
I don't know, horses are running.
Baba, wait.
And I don't go near the horses, they are running from us.
Wait. No, Baba, we have to gather them together.
I don't think that.
How are we supposed to gather? By killing them?
I swear if it becomes how
Okay, I'm going back. I'm going back.
I'm also going.
Why
I'm
did he come out?
Oh,
Why?
please, Baba, you were the one who came all the way to them. Make sure if there are any houses to stop there.
We having all
and
the
what if there are zombies?
I don't know.
Wait, how the hell did you come up without the ladder? Okay, then you can leave.
Okay. Jay, just walk straight. Just walk straight. I'll stop the train. It was at least better than what you do. Get in now. If Baba gets distracted now.
Hey, if we find a church, we have to stop by because in our holy
We have to pray. Huh?
we have to steal the holy water. Okay, because we steal the holy water, we can kill the zombies because zombies are.
How dare you steal from the church? Guys, fuel. Guys, fuel. Fuel.
Listen, we're not running out of fuel. Oh, we are. Baba, place it in.
Move now.
Okay. Can someone please? We're out again.
Baba, place the fuel.
We're out. Please.
Signature and place all of it.
Place all of it. Place all of it.
Baba, look at the he already placed my fuel. Now we're gonna have to survive on our own.
And we're out. Yeah, we're out.
I love this game. No, we're not out of it.
No, we're out.
How are we just going behind?
We're out, I'm saying.
It is like a house.
No, I jumped out so that I think we can search for something. Can we collect cactuses?
Try.
Hey, Baba, stop being useless.
I'm using this.
I'm driving the train, so I'm waiting.
No.
Guys, it's 6 p.m. Guys, it's 6 p.m. Zach, try something. Jay, go try something. I'm getting
What try, man?
something.
What's something?
Or we can wait for night and day and then we can.
Kill a zombie.
Okay, I can't. You can't, Adel. Mayday, 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 I'm gonna die. I see a human.
I don't want for this.
What?
One more time.
Who is this me?
That's just Adel putting the phone.
Oh, guys, it's 7 p.m. Get in.
Where's that?
Where's Zach?
I'm slowly walking to the train.
Zach, just jump in through the window. It works. Just jump in through the window. Oh my god.
Oh,
Yes, thank god you did that at least.
Wait, wait.
Guys, we need to burn
Wait,
something.
wait, no, we're
One
waiting.
error.
We're waiting for.
I'm the driver.
Adel, you know, if
So
you
I
die,
can also
if
drive.
you die, we can take your corpse and burn it.
That's so rude.
What? It's same with Baba and me. Not rude if you don't know if you can do it. We'll wait for night and day.
No, didn't say anything but why are both fat.
I'm feeling like to burn this newspaper, but this guy.
Even I also want to burn that only. Yaar. Why are you walking on me?
I'll read this newspaper by time.
Can you get in?
San Antonio, USA. Government officials around to announce.
Jay, if he dies like a zombie, we're taking his corpse, okay?
You can't pick up a corpse. A human corpse.
I'm not
Oh
reviving.
no, it's a red moon. Vampires and werewolves. Yeah, I'm coming in. No, we won't be screwed. We should do something different. Yeah.
Tap, tap. Guys, I have a revolver. I'll try to shoot them if they come here.
Does it have ammo?
Yes, it has 6 ammo.
So,
24.
okay, that's good for us.
Shut up. My aim
You
is
have
good.
to give it to one
There's-
of us. If you cannot shoot it, give it one.
Where's the... Jay, are you hitting random stuff right now?
No, something is happening.
Someone is gaming it.
Something...
Baba is getting damaged with it.
No.
No, Baba is already damaged.
It's already...
Oh, I just got damaged right now.
No.
Baba, why did you throw your... Why did you throw your shovel on the floor?
Guys, someone check outside.
Where is the fire?
Really?
Where is shoot?
Where? I can't see.
Okay.
I'm damaged. I'm
Go,
damaged.
go, move. Move.
Oh. Someone...
Anyway.
That drive. Jay, drive. Where? Zach, put it in. Zach, put it in. Zach, put it in. That little giving. I can't see. What? Guys, the car down. Guys, help!
I'm coming!
I'm using a self. What? Guys, use the bandage. Guys, use the bandage that I have. So take one. Take one and revive me.
Baba, I'm coming.
Can someone revive me with a bandage?
You can see your leg on it.
Zach, grab a bandage. Grab a bandage. Take the gun.
I'm taking care of this already.
Take a gun also, please.
There's a mirror here.
I'm collecting pops also. I'm holding my head. I'm storing it. Dead rails. Okay, I understood. Jay, unstoring it. Oh God. They're after me. Bye, Zach. Oh God. I'm in the train. I can't. Jay, actually help me. Jay, put the cops in. Arey, he's driving.
He can get gold, Baba. Baba, we can get gold. So, I don't know how to play. I literally know the password. We need to go to Wait, fine, I'll connect.
Like a church.
Yeah.
Go into the church.
And just only walk there. Rewind me, Adrian.
अबे तेरा 10 zombies. Zach, distract. Please be quiet, Jay. I've revived you.
Guys, I'm coming. Please keep me alive. Elijah.
Guys, wait, I'm not revolving. Reloading. Will you move, Jay? I can't kill this guy. Oh God! Oh God! I have to worry if it is you. Collect the pots. Should I also collect? Why is this guy just idle?
Wait, I didn't see that ball. You got a new ball.
Jaden.
You're getting one action.
He himself.
Where's the holy water? Can I some more?
Wait, I have to heal with a band-aid.
Okay. But where's the holy water?
How will I know where's the holy water? Ask Zach. Wasn't he the one who told you about the holy water? I got cops.
Wait, there are zombies there in the room.
I'm on low. I'm very low in fact. We need to find bandages.
Hey, Jaden, your bird's trying to get out.
What?
No, he's not.
Yes, I need.
Where's the holy water?
I don't know.
Wait, what is this?
He's back in the train. Can you push him and keep him in the train?
I wish you could pick up people.
Tell him.
Where is the holy water? Oh, Jay, there's a lot of stuff in here that we can use as fuel. Jake, get back. Jake, get back in the train. It's night.
Arey yaar,
Oh,
control
God.
Zack. Control Zack. Where is Zack?
He's in the middle of nowhere.
Control Zack. Elijah, you better control Zack. Put him in the train.
Control him and get him this way. Get him this way towards me.
This is
You'll see my name.
Yeah, I can
Oh, that's you.
And jump to press jump.
Why is it dark? What are you doing in
Zach. Thank God you came at the right time.
I'm driving.
Wait for me. Wait, did you open the safe?
Yeah. What? No.
Hurry, we can get gold. Why are there two zombies on the floor here not picking up?
Where are you?
Oh wait. Shit.
What was that?
Me.
There's a zombie.
Oh God, I'm unstoring stuff. You playing? Huh?
Wait, there were zombies chasing me.
We're just playing. We're just finishing up the game and then we're coming. What? You playing after?